Welcome to our Algebra 2 Properties of Logarithms. That will be our class for today. Our class, I will to divide my class in 3 sections, all right? The first section, I will talk about the properties of the logarithms. It's a mixed review, it's a review about what I mean the properties, okay? So the first problem I would like to write expand the logarithm. So it's our first problem. All right. So let's write this example: log of w to the 4th power. Okay. This is our first problem, but since we need to review some properties, it's very important to write what is talking about. First property is product property, okay? Property. All right. What I mean a product property. This property is like this. I would like to write the formula. Not explaining a lot, so just write log of m with the base b plus log n to the base b equals, this is a log, here is mn with the base b. This is a product property. Another property that we have to remember is a quotient property. Quotient property. It's very important. Okay, this is like log m with the base b minus log n to the base b. So this is equals, it will be equals log, so we are talking about the quotient m divided by n with the base b, right? Another idea is a power or property. It's the properties of the logarithms. Power of property. What I mean this, so this property is like log m to the n with the base b. This is equals n log, logarithm. This log is being logarithm log m with the base b. It's those are the main the main properties. Okay. We already know these properties, but this we have to remember. Okay. I will erase these 3 properties, keep in your mind these main ideas. So we are going to work with this property. We are going to review this in examples like this problem. Okay, we are going to apply some properties to solve this problem. Okay, let me tell you something a little bit more about this. So when spending, so we are talking about spend. So when spending, so when spending, so use here, use the quotient and the product, okay? Product properties. All right. And then after that, and then the power property. So this is the last. okay, when we're talking about the spending. So we have to spend the logarithm, all right? We need to, it's another idea. We have to write, rewriting when, rewriting as a single logarithm. So we have to use the power property. Okay. First, this is a first. Okay. So look at the way to write the property. Use the properties. This is first. Then use the quotient or the product. Use the product and the quotient properties. Okay, this is some clues that we have to remember. The last one, the common logarithm. Remember the common logarithms? Common logarithm. The common logarithm. The common logarithm use the base. Remember the base 10, right? So this is some clue before to explain my class, properties of logarithms. All right. So I will erase here these main ideas, and then let's go and then work with that some problems. Now we have to solve the problem. So spend the logarithms. We have to spend the logarithms. This logarithm. So we have log W to the 4 power. So here, this will be equals to, remember the rule, 4 log W. So what I mean this? So we are using the power property, right? This is the first step. So now it's fine. This is, I think this is was our first problem. Very easy. So let's write another one, another problem. Log. Let's write log and W to the 5th power with the base 4. With the base 4. Let me use another color, right? To write the problem to see the difference. So this is our problem. So log W to the 5th power with the base 4. Okay. So what is the equals? Now we have, since we have the power here, we have to write 5 log W. So with the base, what is the base of the log? Is base 4. So here is also a power property, right? So another one, let's see another problem. It's very simple. Just try to apply the properties that we already know. So okay, log of W to the let's write with the base 7 with the to the UV power, to the UV power. So here I mean, let's multiply. So different, let's do different right here. So W and B. Log W times B with the base 7. Okay. So then here in this case the property is says we have, this is multiplication. This is a power multiplication here. So let's write a log of W with the base 7 plus log of UV with base 7. So this is with which property? product property, right? Product property. See? It's a very not big deal, okay? Very simple. So now that was our first section. Let me erase this section and then let's go. Let me talk about the topic number 2. Talk about evaluated here logarithms using properties. Evaluated using properties. Okay. So we have to use the properties to evaluate the logarithm or the expression. So let's write our first problem. So evaluated the expression here. Evaluated the expression. Evaluated. All right. What is the expression? Let's write log 96 with the base 2 minus log 12 with the base 2. Okay, we have to evaluate this expression, okay? First we have to write rewrite the expression So first we have to rewrite the expression as a single logarithm, okay? So we have it, this is the first step, it's right there. So now this is will be equals log here, log, so here 96 divided by 12 with the base 2. So this is step quotient, this is it's called quotient property. All right, this step. Now simplify. We are going to have log with the base 2 log 96 divided by 12 is 8. Okay, this step is simplify. Right? So since here since the base is equals 2, all right, rewrite eight with a base of 2. Okay, and then simplify. Now then this is another step. So then simplify. So this is the next step. So next step is will be equals here log. Let's use because it's a different step right here. Just write a log 2 with the. I will erase this to continue. Okay, to do it in another window. Okay, I will erase everything here. See, so the last step, the next step. So let's write log 2 with the exponent 3. So with the base 2. So this is equals is y 8 is equals 2 to the third power, right? So now here we will have equals 3 log 2 with the base 2. Here is a power. See? This is the second part. The first part we did, this is the second part. This is the second part. Now we have here 3 times 1. See, 3 times 1. Why? Because we have log with the base b, or log of b is equals 1. So this is the rule. Yeah? Since b to the negative power is equals y is b. Right? To negative 1. So here is equals 3. And then I simplify here. So the answer, is log 96. So the problem with the base 2 minus log of 12 with the base 2 is equals 3. See? That was the answer. Let's solve another problem. Okay, I will try to do the whole process in the first in one window. All right, in both sides here, and divided by my board in two sides, two sections. So now let's write this problem. So find the answer. Evaluate this problem. Log 162 with the base 9 minus log 18 with the base 9. Okay, that's the problem. So remember, first we have to rewrite the expression as a single logarithms. Okay, I will keep, so just rewrite, I will rewrite the expression there. All the step, all right? I want to do right here, log 162 to rewrite the expression. I want to read the property. So we are minus log 18 with the base 9, right? So rewrite the expression as a single logarithm right here. So now this is equals logarithm of 162 divided by 18 with the base 9. Okay, this is a quotient of property. Quotient of property. Quotient property. Just I want to write very short right there. And then simplify here. If you simplify, we will have 162 divided by 18 is equals 9. So 9 right here. See, so simplify here. Simplify. So since the base is 9, the base is 9, rewrite 9 with the base of 9. So it's going to be 1, right? So it's equals 1 right here. Y is equals 1. So what is the rule? What is the rule says here, right here? So 1 is log b equals 1 with the base b. Since is b to the 1 power is equals b, right? So the answer here, so log 162 with the base 9 minus log is this one 18 with the base 9 is equals 1, right? 1 right here. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay, let's do another different than this one. Let's write log number 3, log of 5 with the base 5 plus log with of 25 with the base 5. Okay, so rewrite the expression as a single logarithm. It's the first step. Okay, let's write it. So let's write right here log 5 with the base 5 plus log 25 with the base 5. Okay, so now this is equals log or logarithms of what? We have 5 times 25 right here with the base 5. This is a product property, right? Product of property. So now simplify. If you simplify, you will have log 125 of base with the base 5. So simplify here. That's right there. The step. So now since the base is 5 here, since the base is 5, rewrite 125 as a base of 5. Maybe let's write it right here because sometimes here is confused. This is like this is the first part. The second part, since the base is 5 right here, rewrite 125 with the base of 5. See, divide by 5 too. So okay, I will start it in this side. So it's the first part. Second part, let's write here log. This is the second part of 3. We got it. Let's write of 3 with the base. No, it's not 3. Let's write 5 right here with the base 5. With the exponent 3. So it is the same. It is the same. Okay. I mean, this is 125 is equals 5 to the third power. Right? This is what we're talking about right here. The second section right there. So now this is equals. This is the second part. Write 3. Remember, we are using the properties. We have to write 3 here to solve log. What else? Log of 5 with the base 5. See? It is right there. This is a power. Here, power. Property. Power property. So now, this is equals 3 times 1. Here, we have log of b equals 1 with the base b. Here, since we have b 1 to the 1 power is equals b, right? So this is equals 3. So simplify. Our answer. So the answer is log of 5 with the base 5 plus a log. We have here right here log 25 with the base 5 is equals 3. Right there. All right, got it? Okay, let's go to the next step, next topic about properties of logarithms. So this is the way we use the properties of the logarithms. Of course, this is very simple here. It's not a big deal in our class. So the topic number 3 here is challenge or change. So next one is change of the base formula. Change of the base formula. So here we have to rewrite a quotient of two common logarithms here. Maybe let's write it here. Rewrite, in our problem, rewrite. Let's write one problem. Rewrite as a quotient of two common logarithms. So what is our problem? The problem is log of 14 with the base 8. Okay, so here, what I mean change of the base formula. Change of the base formula. Do you remember? Let's remember the change of the base formula can be used here. Can be used to change a logarithm from base B to the base C. Okay, so that means they change the base formula. So también use a common logarithms with the base 10. So it's another thing here. So the common remember we use logarithms. It always uses base 10. Okay, keep in your mind that idea. No, don't forget. Okay, we have to now we have to solve our problem here. We have this problem here. How solve our problem? So first, now figure out the values of here. We have to figure out first. Figure out or what? We have to figure out the values of B, M, and C. So this is that we have to find the values from these problems, figure out the values of those variables. So this is the logarithms. So then next step should be this is the form. Let's write the form. The form is a log. You have to figure out what is the form M with the base B, right? With B equals, how much is B? It equals, let's write here, B is equals 8, right there. And M equals, how much is M? M is 14. All right. So finally complete the change of the base formula. Now complete the change the base formula. Now complete the change. Complete the change the base formula. How? this is next step. This is very important. This is a light step. Okay, let's start it right here. We have the formula. Our formula is log with the base b, so m equals, this is the formula, so log m, we have log with the base c, log here divided by log with the base c, this is b. This is our formula. So change to the formula, and now I will erase this. So we have the values. We have the values here. Remember, the values was m is equals 14, and then b is equals 8. So that's the information that we have right now. Okay, just substitute here the formula. We have log 14, yeah, 14, and then the base. How much is c? How much is c? C is remember the c here. Remember the common logarithm. The common logarithm is the base is 10. Right? This is the common logarithm. So here with the base 10 divided by log with the base 10, and then b is equals 8 right here, 8, right? So here this step is plug it in. We plug it in here. This step b equals 8, m equals 14, and c equals 10, right? That was the step right here. Okay, so I will continue right here. Let's will be equals here log, simplify right here. This is 10, cancel this 10, log divided by 14 divided by log 8. So this is right here is move it to here, right? So here is rewrite this step, rewrite log the base 10 as a log. Okay, that's the steps. Now our answer, so the conclusion here should be, so it's a log of 14 with base 8. Our problem right here is equals log 14 divided by log 8. See, this is our answer in our problem. All right, so let's solve another one. Okay, this is very easy. So change to the base formula. Let's do another problem. It's very simple. This one is very easy. Okay, let me write this problem. B is problem number 2. Log 33 with the base 8. Okay, just I will like the step right here. So log m, this is the formula actually, equals log of m with the base c, log base c and b. So this is a change of change the base formula. So simplify the numbers right here. So we will have, next step we will have remember log with the base 10 as a 33 right here, divided by log 10 is 8, right there. So here is plugging in this precept, plug in b equals 8, m equals 33, and c equals 10. All right. So now we will have simplify here log 33 log divided by log 8. So rewrite here, this rewrite log with the base, log with the base 10 as a log, right? So our conclusion here, so log of 33 with the base 8 is equals log 33 divided by log of 8. Okay, this is another example. Let's do one more here. Next problem. So see, log, we have to find the log of 49 with the base 6. Okay. First step, remember, we have to write the change of the base formula. Where is the change of the base formula? I write it so many times because I want to memorize or learn very well our formula. So log, C, this is M, so log B with the base C. Right there. This is a change of base. Right? So now simplify here. So now if we simplify, we will have log, substitute the numbers. Is 49 here, and this is 10, divided by log 10, and we have here 6. Let's see. So here is plugging in B equals 6, M equals 49, and C equals 10. All right, this is the number. So simple, continue. Log 49 divided by log of 6. This is a rewrite log with the base 10 as a log. Okay, our conclusion. So we will have log of 49 with the base 6 equals right here log 49 divided by log of 6. That's our answer. So that's it for today. Algebra 2, very easy, very simple, and very great problem. No, property of the logarithms. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for you next class.